Okay, quick refresher on triangle angle sums. Anytime you've got a triangle, the sum of the three angles will be 180 degrees. So in this case, I've got one missing angle over here. I've got a 72-degree angle here. I've got a 15-degree angle here. If I want to figure out that missing angle, I'm just going to add my 15 and my 72, and I'm going to get that is going to get me 89 degrees. And then I can just say, okay, 180 minus 89, I'm going to be missing a 91-degree angle, so this right here would end up being a 91-degree angle. If you want to double check yourself, just double check and say, is 15 plus 72 plus 91 equal to 180? Feel free to use a calculator. You should get there. Now, if we extend this problem a little bit and we say like, okay, now all of a sudden this line has been extended, so is this line, and I start asking about these angles, then you're dealing with like vertical angle territory. If this one is 91, the one straight across from it is also going to be 91 degrees. And then to figure out what these two angles end up being, well, that's half of a circle. So these two would end up equaling 180, which means that this one right here would have to be 89. And then this one also here would be 89 degrees, simply because 89 plus 91 has to get us all the way up to our 180 degrees. Okay, hope that's a quick refresher for you.